few years ago, I was looking for a well-designed, economical, adaptable and functional commercial building. And here it is. Made by Strongline Buildings. Hi, I'm Mike Kenny. I was impressed then. I'm still impressed today. That's why I bought the company. These tough buildings are made from top quality steel, with every component being custom designed to suit each individual customer's needs.
And that's a very important thing about the Strongline concept. Hi, I'm Ken Ray, Project Manager for Strongline Buildings.
As with all our buildings, Stainless Down Under was a complete design and build project, with plenty of client input. Suzanne, one of the company directors, is an architectural draftsperson. Andrew and Suzanne needed a building that met with their exacting standards and his shrewdness to get the right price. And that is where Strongline came into the equation.
We were after a cost-effective building, and we were also after a structurally sound building, and we felt that with the designs that Strongline Builders brought to us, that we felt we were going to achieve both of those things. Another really important factor going with Strongline was the relationship that we built. The business relationship was a large part. We've found them very easy to do business with.
Offices of 180 square metres roll out into 735 square metres of warehouse, with the back wall fire rated with speed wall. This has balanced design, strength, aesthetic and price to ensure a functional build that is pleasing to the eye.
Although the building's quite simplistic, the important parts were the office area and the smoko room and the sort of toilet facilities and that sort of stuff. So making that work and trying to make it big enough for our future expansion.
We have our trademarked web trusses through the building, which are important on many levels. They are very strong, quick to erect and rigid as soon as you put them into place. We certainly weren't the cheapest, but the high level of integrity of our product and staff has been so good that Andrew has just had another 20-metre extension built.
And by the way, if you drive a forklift into one of these, it'll be fine. The column, that is.
Hi, I'm Alan Jones, Auckland Manager. This structural strength, combined with our in-house design and project management team, ensures you get a great all-round product and experience. For instance, this building for Flyway couriers was specifically designed to meet the needs of a slightly unusual situation. We achieved the end result by using tilt slab concrete for both retaining and fire rating, which when combined with the web trusses and the universal columns gave the client exactly what they wanted.
The design allows the trucks to operate without the use of a forklift to load and unload. The other issue here was that we couldn't go too deep into the ground, so we had to be very careful with the design to ensure the building was future-proof, so if Flyways ever moved out, another tenant could move in.
Strongline Buildings does the entire job. As you can see here, we have fitted out one of our warehouses with large office, kitchen and a boardroom. This was designed specifically to meet the client requirements, and as we're the client, we are definitely happy with the design.
Working on Craig's design was especially enjoyable for me personally.
Craig's a carpenter, and we found a concept that fitted his budget and his needs. We did the planning for Craig for his resource consent, then erected the building.
Nothing was a hassle. They took over everything, worked with council, crew that actually built the building. They were awesome. You know, nothing was a problem with them. Clean, tidy. I'm not getting paid for this either.
There are two design features on this building that are standard engineering for us. An excellent example of where our sheds are just a little bit special. The first is the canopy. We can span up to 9 metres with standard engineering. Secondly, we can have large open areas. In Craig's case, we needed to go over his existing building, which is 9 metres wide. We achieved this easily.
Cost-wise, it was brilliant. The competition couldn't keep up with that either. The way they did the building itself, the awning at the front, it was all working brilliantly.
Awesome. Compared to what we had before, work flow through is great.
We can do up to a 40+ metre span, which is ideal for aircraft hangars and boat builders who require large openings. So as you can see, the Strongline Building service is about a complete package. From the architectural design plans through the consent and permissions process. And then the project managing, all the plumbing, drainage, electrical, plumbing and decorating. And we can also manage the landscaping and even lay your driveway. In fact, so good, I live in one. You invest in a building to make it work for you. When you invest in a Strongline product, I and my staff make sure you get the top of the range, on time and on budget.